Okay, so we're going to walk through this example. It'll go by much faster because we don't have to write out the steps. We're solving for y. So I'm going to separate my equation into two sides. And I'm going to circle y and its coefficient. I want to get rid of the 2x, okay? So that 2x is positive, so I'm going to subtract it on both sides. It's going to hang off here in space because that 9 doesn't have an x. I'm going to bring down my 3y, and I'm going to write this in the correct order. Again, I want the x to come first. It's negative. The 9 comes second. It's positive. My last step is to isolate that y by getting rid of the 3. 3y means 3 multiplied by y. The opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide everything by 3. All 3 terms get divided. So now I just have a y. I'm going to separate my fraction from my x. So I have negative 2/3 x. And then 9 divided by 3 is just 3. And it is positive. So this is my final answer. I got the y by itself.